welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Election Commission of India objects to Alina's induction in cabinet, states that her induction would disturb level playing field in Cortalim by poll. Wanted to sing with KL Sehgal, lending voice to Meena Kumari, most pleasurable. Lata Mangeshkar shares the musical memories. Government announces tax relief on jewellery, defers general anti-avoidance rules. Finance Ministry announces measures following pressure. Dempo's blue and white dazzles in Indian football. 20 lakh bonus for champion team. Srinivas Dempo looking to adopt Panji-centric club name to find business model. And former champion Churchill brothers finished third in 2011-12 I-League. And now the news in detail. Alina Saldana's cabinet induction will not take place on Tuesday. Election Commission of India in a 2-hour-long meeting held on Monday conveyed to the Goa government that Alina's induction would disturb the level playing field as she is a probable candidate. They have advised government to take such steps after election.
Advocate Iris Rodriguez in a complaint filed with the Election Commission of India had opposed the proposed cabinet induction of Alina Saldana. Alina is BJP's likely candidate for the Cortalim by-poll. After a 2-hour-long meeting in Delhi, the Election Commission of India has now conveyed to the Goa government that Alina Saldana's cabinet induction cannot take place before the by-polls, as this would violate the Model Code of Conduct. As she is a probable candidate for the election, this would disturb the level playing field. Parrikar had earlier announced that Alina would be inducted on Tuesday. With EC's ruling, Alina's swearing in cannot take place before the June 2nd by-polls. A report from Panji Lokesh Shilkar.
It is every singer's dream to share playback singing with her. But can she even have such a desire, and that too unfulfilled? In an exclusive interview, Lata Mangeshkar revealed that she wanted to sing along with KL Sehgal but could not. She also revealed that lending voice to Meena Kumari was always most pleasurable.
आपलं आणि आशाताईशी जे नातं आणि जे वारंवार बोललं जातं की आपल्यात मतभेद होते किंवा काहीतरी कुठेतरी काहीतरी बरोबर नव्हतं, तर त्याविषयी थोडक्यात काही सांगू शकाल का?
त्यात थोडक्यात मी तुम्हाला हे सांगते की आशाचं आणि माझं बरं नाही असं लोक काय असतं की आम्ही दोघी प्लेबॅक सिंगर आहोत, तर लावालावी करणारे लोक फार असतात. आणि त्यांना काय होतं की लता तुझ्याबद्दल असं बोलली, मला सांगायचं आशा तुझ्याबद्दल असं बोलली, अशा गोष्टी होत होत्या. आणि आशाचं जे लग्न झालं होतं ना, ते आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या मनाविरुद्ध तिने केलं होतं. आणि त्यानंतर ती 12-13 वर्ष आम्हाला भेटली पण नाही. ती वेगळी राहायची आणि घरी यायची नाही, कारण की त्या नवऱ्याने तिला सांगितलं होतं की नाही जायचं त्या घरी. तर आमची तिची गाठ पण पडत नव्हती. पण नंतर ती काही वर्षानंतर आमच्याकडे आली. आणि आता आमचं जे घर आहे त्याच्यामध्ये दरवाजा आहे, आम्ही एकाच घरात दोघी राहतो. आम्ही 2 फ्लॅट घेतले आणि पलीकडच्या फ्लॅट मध्ये आशा राहते आणि अलीकडे आम्ही आहोत. आणि आमच्या घराच्या मध्ये खुली दरवाजा आहे, तिथून आम्ही येऊ जाऊ शकतो. कारण आशाची जी बेडरूम आहे ती उघडली की उषाची बेडरूम आहे, माझ्या आईची बेडरूम आहे. तर आम्ही घरात आम्ही एका घरात राहतो. आम्ही
आपण आजवर किती भाषात म्हणजे गाणी गायली आहेत? गाणी
36.
संगीत म्हणजे काय, म्हणजे एका वाक्यात सांगायचं असेल खूप कठीण आहे, पण
मी थोडं मोठे शब्द सांगते की कुणीही जो गायक किंवा वाजत असतो त्याला संगीत हे त्याचं जीवन असतं असं मला वाटतं.
म्हणजे संगीत हे जीवन, म्हणजे एखाद्या
संगीत हे त्याचं लाईफ आहे.
हो, त्याशिवाय तो दुसरा विचार करू शकत नाही
आणि त्यांनी करू नये. आणि तो खरा संगीतकार असेल जसे रविशंकर आहेत तर ते संगीताशिवाय दुसरा काही विचारच करू शकत नाही.
दीदी, आपल्याला असा एखादा गायक म्हणजे ज्याच्याबरोबर आपल्याला गायचं होतं पण गायला नाही मिळालं, असं एखादं नाव गायकाचं? आणि आपण एवढ्या हिरोईनसाठी म्हणजे अभिनेत्रींसाठी गायलात, तर एखादी अभिनेत्रीसाठी आपल्याला गायला आवडायचं?
मीना कुमारी.
You can read the full interview of Lata Mangeshkar on Viva Goa's May edition. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Government has finally announced tax relief on jewellery and deferred general anti-avoidance rules. Bowing to pressure, Union Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee on Monday announced a slew of measures in Lok Sabha to provide relief to the jewellery industry. The excise duty on branded jewellery and unbranded jewellery has been rolled back 100%. Goa Gold Dealers Association has welcomed the decision. There was a heavy demand within and outside the house to withdraw additional taxes levied on jewellery. All India Gold Traders Association had launched nationwide shut-us-down agitation against government's move. Finance Ministry has now bowed down to the pressure. While moving the Finance Bill 2012 for consideration and passing in Lok Sabha, Mukherjee announced the tax relief. The government has decided to withdraw the levy of 1% excise duty on all precious metal jewellery, branded or unbranded, with effect from March 17, 2012. Threshold limit for tax collection at source on cash purchase or jewellery will be raised to 5 lakh rupees from the present 2 lakh rupees. However, the finance minister said the threshold limit for cash purchase on bullion will be retained at 2 lakh rupees. Bullion will not include any coin or other article weighing 10 grams or less. Goa Gold Dealers Association have welcomed the decision.
Agreed to our demands of 100% rollback today on excise on branded and unbranded jewelry. And also he has upscaled the limit of transaction tax from 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Today we are very happy with the decision taken by Finance Minister, because what we felt was excise law was not applicable for our industry.
With bureau inputs, our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.